I gotta find somewhere to prop the camera. This is a Minka Aire Flyte Ceiling fan. It's been here since 2007, so I say this fan's like 13 years old now. It has survived for 13 years, thank God. My parents like using it, but I've tortured around with this fan, and the blades kept getting loose, so I tightened them in. So here's a remake video. Anyways, starting with light. Dim. You could say it's dim. Almost like a full moon. As the moon gets brighter, it's the light. It's not a moon actually, it's the halogen light. It's the light when it's brighter. Doesn't look too bright. The LED one kind of gives, on my fan gives me, well, I can't say it, but I'll turn the lights back on, then light off. Here's low. Like they're a little dim, so I'm gonna brighten them up. Now somebody has one of these fans, and I watched that video, and it has a silver like down plate and maple blades, and their fan actually, I can't remember who it is. He also has a Minka Aire Viper too, but the Minka Aire Flyte spins fast, faster than this one. Maybe this one could be a later model. Well, his could probably be an older model. The older models probably could have used Shenyang Alaska motors. I've never played with an Alaska fan in person before. I don't know what playing with Alaska fans look like. Well, I know all like Alaska fans from the 80s go low, medium, high, similar to Casablanca. And the Fanimation Enigma uses the same motor as in Alaska, too. And the Air Shadow, the non-shiny finish ones. Anyways, here's low. Now let's go to medium. Dim the light. I don't know if you can see the fan running, but on camera you can tell in person. My parents keep this on low, but I keep my fan on medium all the time. It's about medium. Move a decent amount of air. Oh, it's Florida. Let's go high. I'll show you the. It does wobble. That's what my parents do not like when they. That's why my parents do not run this fan on high, because it wobbles. Well, mine makes. I don't know. It may need to be balanced, I don't know. Okay. Now somebody, I looked at YouTube comments, and somebody was asking me about this fan, and theirs had a broken blade, and they bought a replacement blade for it, and they're trying to figure out how to take the blade off. And so basically what I did is I unscrewed the, as I took off the mounting, and you had to take the whole fan down in order to replace the blade on it, or tighten the blade screws. Then you have to take the housing off in order to just screw them on tight. Now my mom got this fan because of my aunt had one in her old house. I think those could have been made by Alaska. They had the older control though, before the pre-air control. And this one's from 2006, so air control could have come out in like 2006 or 2007. I don't know. It's gotten dirty. I'm gonna show it in reverse really quick. That's low reverse. Here's medium reverse. I'm gonna show it really quick on that high. Sound decibel everywhere. Okay. Let's stop it through the middle part because I don't want to loosen the blades again. I'll show you the control. Show you. Here's the control for it. I'll turn the lights on so I can get a better look at it. Is that better? It's the light button. Low speed, medium speed, and high speed. This button does nothing. That's just in case if your fan has a reverse button. I wonder why Minka did that. Monte Carlo could have done that too, with their 2-in-1 remotes. So, yeah, it's a top light. I'd take this whole fan down in order to get the blades tightened in. Someone has to do, and that person who was asking me about it has to take his whole fan down in order to put the new blade on. Imagine if this fan had a broken blade. I would definitely turn that on high speed with a broken blade, just to be silly. Just like how I did with my Spirit of Saturn. Well, my Spirit of Saturn was on speed 3. When I did demo mode, it just went to speed 6. And I had to hold it tight, but it can make a Recall Casablanca fan fall. But it would be funny if I did it to the... If I took the blade off of my welder's vest and ran it on high speed. Yeah. Thanks for watching.